Hello, everybody, and welcome to my Sunshine channel. This is Brandy, and thank you for joining me today. Whether you're new here or returning, I appreciate the business. So, in this video, I am working on my creative journal for the 18th through the 24th, and I'm using parts of two different kits from Grand Plans. I know I use her stuff a lot, but I just really like it. Um, and it's called Little Helpers. I bought this kit, I think sometime back in October, maybe early November. I don't remember. But it's just so cute. I am not usually a fan of gnomes, but when I saw this, I really loved the red, white, and blue and green theme and how it coordinated with Christmas and the holidays, and I just fell in love with it. And I may not be a fan of gnomes, but these guys are just so cute. Anyway, so what I did is her kits come with um, lots of different pages. The sticker that I'm putting down right now, this big box sticker, is actually for the dashboard kit. I purchased the dashboard kit and the weekly kit from her Etsy shop. These are all digital downloads that I purchased, and then I pull them into Cricut and print them out with my Cricut. But anyway, her kits come with anywhere from 5 to 7 different pages of elements that you can use in your planner. And so what I did is I went through and printed what I felt like the 4 pages, 2 from each kit that I was going to use, and then realized after I had done my date headers up at the top that I forgot to print the page that has the numbers on them. She always has the page that has the numbers that go with the headers, and I just totally spaced it. So what I ended up doing after I was done filming is I just took one of my white, what are they called? Uniball Signos, and wrote the dates up at the top. So anyway, it all worked out. But anyway, I forgot to print the numbers. But her kits are, now this one that I purchased is size for an Erin Condren. However, there are plenty of boxes that you can use. So if you notice, I went all across the way at the bottom, and it doesn't fill up the whole vertical box. But then what I will end up doing is take some of the smaller header boxes, or not really the small ones, it's more like the medium size ones, and fill in that space. I'm filling in space with the smaller ones on the right hand side because I put the Hello Weekend, which I always love using that sticker for some reason. It's just, I don't know, it just makes it stand out a little bit. So now I'm using what I would consider maybe the medium size boxes, because they're not really the small and they're not the like 1/2 inch boxes. So they're kind of in between. And I use those and try and alternate the colors based on the colors that are in the sticker to try and differentiate it a little bit. And I put those in there. And then these boxes with the little gnomes in them are too cute. Too cute. I wish there was more than 4 on a page. But anyway, using those 4 in there. And when I use Grand Plans kits, I usually do lots and lots of boxes. I just like them. I like having the boxes, and I do have a tendency to just go like straight edge, straight in line. I don't do a whole lot of offset things and things like that. It just, I don't know why. That's just the way my brain works when I use those kits. When I use other stickers, sometimes I will go off, but with these, I just like to put them right in the boxes, I guess you could say. So I'm going to use, I always have gratitude. And I pulled these boxes off and then realized, nope, wait a minute. I want to use these in the sidebar to use as my spots for recording gratitude. I always put gratitude in the sidebar. That's pretty much all I use it for. I will use one big box or lots of smaller boxes. Just depends on the kit that I'm using, the stickers that I'm using, and the decorations that I want to put in there. So I decided to use those boxes that I had pulled off, and I'm using them up top. That's going to be my spots for gratitude, and then I'm adding some more. I never use that spot at the bottom, the this week's list or notes or the things right there. I never use that area um, except for decoration. So I'm adding some more decoration down there to kind of fill up that spot and looking for things to add to there. I was going to divide that, decided, nah, I didn't like that, so I put it up at the top. And here in a minute, I'm going to put a gratitude sticker in there. I pulled that little bell sticker off and went back and forth about where to put it because I just thought it was really cute, and finally decided to put it down in the right-hand corner. So right now, I'm just so in love with this. I love the colors. I love the look of it. It is really, really turning out cute. I decided to go ahead and add some more boxes on Sunday. Sunday is Christmas Eve. We probably won't be doing a whole lot. I will start cooking the gumbo that I make on Christmas Eve for Christmas Day. And so I just decided to use a whole bunch of boxes over there. I've been using the boxes, the filler boxes that I'm using to fill up the whole vertical box, writing down the Christmas movie that I've been watching every day. And I decided to use those like little marquee boxes so I could write that in there for Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully, we'll probably be watching the Polar Express on Sunday, Christmas Eve. That's one of the things that we like to do. So I'll have that in there. And adding a few more boxes here. I always have a tendency to go box heavy when I use her kits just because they match and they're just so cute. I like to use the decorative elements that come in there. Not only does she put decorative elements in her kit, but she also adds some of the functional ones like laundry and errands and things like that. So it's a really good variety of things. The other thing I've been using a lot lately that I haven't and wouldn't have thought to use before is the glitter strips. I absolutely abhor regular glitter. I do not like it. It gets everywhere. I cannot stand it. However, a glitter strip in a sticker is absolutely amazing because it doesn't go anywhere except for where you want it, except for where you want the sticker to go. So there you go. So I've been using those whenever she includes them in the kits, just because I can, and it makes it, gives a little bit of texture and makes it kind of sparkle, even though it's not, really sparkly, light catching glitter. Anyway, I think it makes it look cute. I always like to add some of the decorations that she has in there all around the page, and I usually have plenty of room to write. This is my creative journal, so I usually write pretty small. I write kind of all over the place, so it works out well for me. Adding a few extra elements here, and I am just about done with this spread right here for this week. So at this point, I'm going to grab my gratitude sticker, the ones that I got from Planner Kate, and add it to the top. And that is my creative journal spread for this week. Thank you guys for joining me. Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed this and have a great week and a great day. Bye-bye.